Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by and clicking on this video. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. Here I do vlogs, makeup tutorials. Today, as you see in the title above, I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial, so make sure to be subscribed. Turn on the bell notification so you can get updated for all my new videos. And for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for stopping by, and thank you so much for always supporting me. I really appreciate it. And with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and start on this look. I'm trying to make it as easy as possible for you guys, so I'm gonna do a talk through and just showing you what I'm using, and I hope you guys are enjoying it. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching, and let's continue with this look. So here I'm taking the Purple Haze palette from Kara Beauty, and I'm grabbing this light pink shade and applying it all over my lid. Now that we're all done, we want to go ahead and wipe our eyelid off, not the whole eyelid, just the lid part, and we're gonna start creating a cut crease. And I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeliner in black. Once we are done outlining that, we're gonna go ahead and apply some concealer just so the colors could stand out a little bit more. Here I was gonna start outlining the shape of the butterfly, but instead I went ahead and start putting down the colors. So I placed this purple eyeshadow at the end of the crease. Here I did grab the NYX Kara Beauty palette, which is the palette in Girl Scouts, and I grabbed these two blue shades to create this blue shade here, and I blended it in with that purple. The same Girl Scout palette, I got these two green shades to create this green shade I'm placing down on my lid next to that blue, and just make sure they are blended out. Next, I'm going to go ahead and use the orange pop palette and grab that yellow shade and place it down next to the green, and we're going to do the same with the red color, place it next to the yellow. So now that we're done placing all the colors, we're going to go ahead and start detailing the wing of the butterfly. I just went ahead and did that, and then I also used the NYX liquid liner in white to fill in the little dots inside the wing. Then I went ahead and grabbed the Purple Haze palette, grabbed that pink shade we started off with, and I decided to pack it on just a little bit more. I grabbed my lashes, and then I went ahead and grab this ColourPop palette and just used that little light shade and applied it on my inner corner. So this is the end of the tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. So obviously I did this for Pride Month, and I've never really done a colorful look at all, like any rainbow look at all. I've never done a rainbow look, and this was my first attempt, and it's crazy because it was also my first attempt on doing a butterfly. So there was a lot of inspiration to look from. I was looking at Instagram and just seeing all the butterfly looks that people do, like designs. Every butterfly like wing is different, but I decided to do this one. I feel like this one had more space like to do the colors with, so they could all show, because if I was just gonna cut it here and then just create the wing right here, then I don't think I would have that much space to lay out all these. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe so you can see all videos of me. Turn on your bell notifications as well. Comment down below if you have any ideas for any future videos that you want me to do. I'll for sure get them done for you. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!